Now that we are done with board C, we're going to move to board D, and that's the bottom one with the pegs. So we're going to hit File, New, Part, and we're going to draw this in our front plane. Front plane, front view. And when we sketch this out, we use the rectangle tool, and we'll make our rectangle. Then we'll go back and Smart Dimension. Our height of that front board will be 4 inches, and our width will be 21. We'll exit sketch, select our sketch, click Features, and Extrude. We'll make the same as all the other, 0.75. And now we need to add a fillet just like the other boards. Our fillet, make sure you're on full preview, and our fillet amount is 0.25. All we're filleting is the front bottom line. Once that gets filleted, you get check mark. Now we need to add our pegs. So we're going to look at the front view, front plane. And we're going to draw circles. Okay. So we're going to go to Sketch, go to our circle tool, and we're going to place 2 of them. One there, one over here. And we're going to Smart Dimension those. We're going to click on the outside line of these circles, and those are going to be 0.375. So those are the size of the circles. Now we have to locate those circles. So we'll select the center of the circle and the bottom of the shape. It'll be 2 inches from the bottom. And from the edge, there will be 3 inches. After you've got those drawn, you get Exit Sketch, select Sketch, go to Features, and we're going to Extrude Cut. And we want to pull them into the shape, so moving into. But we're going to cut those at 0.25 and check. So you can see mine didn't cut. It's coming from the back side. So I should have selected From and Surface. Selected the surface. Make sure it's going into my shape. Then check mark. Now you can see those 2 holes where the pegs go. At this point, you can save board D.